Looking to enjoy jam without the sugar overload? Discover the world of sugar-free jams, a healthier alternative that satisfies your sweet tooth without compromising on taste. Dive into these delightful sugar-free jam recipes. From strawberry to apple, each uses fresh fruit, honey, and chia seeds. The strawberry jam combines fresh strawberries with honey and chia seeds for a fruity delight. Blueberry jam adds a tangy twist with lemon juice. Raspberry, apricot, and blackberry jams offer sweet, fruity flavors. Peach, plum, grape, and apple jams provide versatile spreads for toast, yogurt, or pancakes. Each recipe is a low-sugar alternative to traditional jams. Creating these jams is simple. Start by washing and chopping your chosen fruit. Simmer with a bit of water until soft, then mash to your desired consistency. Stir in honey and chia seeds to thicken. Let it simmer until perfect, then cool and store. Enjoy fresh jam without the fuss of canning. These jams are not only delicious, but also healthier. They help reduce sugar intake, use up excess fruit, and offer a natural sweetness. Enjoy a guilt-free treat that's easy to make and store.